Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Dodge Charger, updated. Start by sketching the basic side profile using simple shapes and a long hood. Refine the wheel arches and greenhouse, keeping proportions balanced. Add details like the grille, headlights, and characteristic hood lines with confident strokes. Use reference photos to capture Dodge proportions and adjust perspective with vanishing points. Shade to suggest curved panels and reflective surfaces, and finish with a bolder outline and highlights. Begin the front view by finding a central vanishing point to anchor the grille and bonnet lines. Sketch a horizontal guideline for headlight placement and check symmetry with light strokes. Shape the bumper and air intakes, then block the hood curvature. Build up the wheels with foreshortening and add tire tread and rim detail. Keep shading consistent with a single light source to sell the form and metallic surfaces. Subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful, and thanks for supporting the channel. Quick recommendation: try these leak-proof containers for easy meal prep between drawing sessions. They keep sauces and snacks safe while you work. They are perfect for artists who want tidy breaks without spills, and they stack cleanly on a studio shelf. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on refining smaller elements like badges, vents, and mirror shapes with steady lines. Layer tones for paint reflections, using softer pencils for midtones and harder ones for crisp highlights. Emphasize contrast around edges to make the car pop against the background. Add final accents such as wheel lug details and grille texture. Step back occasionally to assess overall balance and make small corrections before declaring the drawing complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.